Remote stopped working? Don't rush to buy a new one yet. Most of the time, it's just dirt blocking the signal. I'll show you how to fix it for free using a simple bank card. No screwdrivers needed. Why a card? Because metal screwdrivers will ruin the plastic. A card is safe, flexible, and gets the job done. Safety first. Let's start by removing the batteries and checking for leaks. Slide the card along the seam to pop the internal clips. Take it slow, you don't want to snap the plastic housing. Once inside, you'll see this oily residue. That's skin oils and dust that prevent the buttons from making contact. Use isopropyl alcohol on a cotton pad. Be extremely gentle here. Scrubbing too hard will ruin the carbon traces. Now it's time for the other parts. While the board is drying, take the rubber membrane to the sink. Use some mild dish soap and a soft toothbrush to get into every nook and cranny. This removes all the sticky residue from years of use. Make sure it's bone dry before it goes anywhere near the electronics again. Now we have a clean slate. Everything looks as good as new and is ready for reassembly. Line everything up carefully and snap the housing back together. Make sure that both springs fit into place. Listen for those satisfying clicks. That means the seal is tight. Let's put the batteries back in. And there we go. Every button is responsive again. No more fighting with the remote. If this saved you a trip to the shops, give the video a like and subscribe for more easy home fixes. Thanks for watching.